Spring is just around the corner. Yes, the time of year when the tulips push through the earth. The frost comes out of the ground, and you start to see life come back to your gardens, telling you the weeding will soon follow. I remember not so fondly what it was like weeding the gardens when I was a kid. At our house, the garden was huge and there were flower beds everywhere. Weeding the garden became punishment of choice. You missed curfew. Go weed the garden, you talked back. Go weed the garden, you punched your sister, you betcha. Go weed the garden. If you haven't guessed, I did my fair share of weeding to last me a lifetime, and I try to avoid it at all costs. Yes, I love the aesthetics of having a garden, but it's the weeds, man. Just can't get past the hours spent weeding. So imagine how excited I am to see that someone out there created an AI robot for weeding the garden. Let's take a deeper dive into what my newfound friend can do. For starters, they're efficient. They can work tirelessly day and night without having to take a break. No arguing, negotiating, or bribery needed, they go out and get the job done. Oh, it's raining or Africa hot out? No worries, these little guys follow the same motto as the mailman. For you, this means no more heat stroke, sunburns, or sore backs. Worried that they can't tell a weed from your prized hydrangeas? Oh yes, they can. These robots use advanced sensors and algorithms to identify and remove weeds, ensuring they don't damage other plants in the process. It's like having a tiny, meticulous gardener tending to your plants, but they aren't asking for payment when they're done. So, how does this little AI robot enhance our daily lives? The one biggie for me is time. You walk by the beds and see the weeds every day. You know they are getting out of hand and need your attention, and mentally tell yourself you will to get to it. But time gets away from you, and this task is typically pushed to the back burner. With the AI robot, it gives you time to do other things that need to get done, and eases the guilt and stress of not being able to get to it. You're sidestepping the need for pesticides, which is helping the environment and fostering a healthy haven for not only your family and pets, but for the bees. Plus, with your newfound friend working away, enhances the curb appeal of your home, and brings a sense of personal satisfaction. I don't have an AI robot, well yet, but the idea is pretty exciting to me. Not only saving time and the environment, but being AI curious, I feel this takes me one step deeper into AI and the ways it can help us. Do you have an AI garden robot? What has been your experience? Has it changed the way you view gardening? Or better yet, has it given you more time to enjoy the beauty of your own backyard? I'd love to hear your stories, see your photos, or even learn about your favorite gardening tips. Share your comments below and let's get a conversation going.